I'm Nathaniel Morrison from Maxson and Associates. We're over here at MOXY Hotel. All right, so what we're doing is we got some Modernfold walls, and we're just going to demonstrate how to set one up. We got 3 of them in this particular location for 3 different rooms. Of course, you can open it up like this right here and have one big meeting. You can close it all off. All right, so we're going to roll it away. Now, the reason that you want to roll it away from the one here is because if you try to open it now, it's going to kick back and hit this other panel, start scratching the panel and stuff. That's the most important thing. You don't want to start ripping these panels and stuff because they're not cheap to recover. You're gonna bring the panel down the track. All right, down here is your grooves and stuff. You got what we call peaks and valleys. And all you're gonna do is match up the grooves. Try your best to make sure that this one here is straight by just push here and push as far as you can here. See how I took that bend in the middle out? And then give it a push. And it's supposed to stay like that. So the next one, pull it out so that it won't hit the next one, and then you can just push it straight down the track. Line up your peaks and valleys. Yep, there you go. So this one here is the one that has permanent seals. As you can see, all the rest of the seals drop down. And you're gonna crank it to the wall, and once you feel it hit the wall, give it a little half push to seal it.